What's up guys, I'm a sneaker botter here on YouTube. My name's Soul State. I post brand new videos every single day at noon, and we do live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Central. We have one coming up tonight, so make sure that you stick around for that. And then we also do live streams every Saturday that there is a release. Today, we're going to talk about something that's pretty important and that you guys are going to be seeing a lot more of moving forward. When Footsites changed up and they went to a raffle system, they basically took away a site that we can buy. Yeezy Supply has made some changes. Consoles are dying. So what do we do now? We have to turn to Shopify once again. And with different bots adapting and adding their Shopify modules, my favorite bot and the #1 bot of 2021, Valor AIO, now has their Shopify module open to all users. We've used it a couple times. We've had some success. We're going to go over it in this video, give an overview, and then make sure you guys tune into the live stream tonight where we will be using Valor AIO on some Kith restocks. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're brand new, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 3,000 subscriber guys. Be a part of the movement. If you need a cook group, check out Soul Palace, link down below. Hope that you guys enjoy. Now let's take a look at Valor AIO's Shopify module. All right guys, so we're on our sauce server here. We'll go ahead and get Valor pulled up so we can go over the Shopify module. I'm not going to do a full in-depth review of the bot. I've actually done a whole separate video on Valor already. I can link it up in the cards right now if you guys want to go check that out. And that will be an entire overview of Valor from start to finish. In this video, I just want to show you guys the Shopify module, talk about it a little bit, and just discuss what that means for this bot and other bots moving forward. You guys can see we actually have some tasks set up right now for Kith, and tonight is Thursday. Kith had their Thursday restocks that they've been doing every single week. Just a plug, we live stream those restocks every Thursday evening at 8 p.m. Central. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you have your notifications turned on and that you're subscribed to the channel. That way you guys can be notified whenever we go live for that Thursday Kith restock. I personally didn't get anything tonight. I'm still learning Shopify again. I haven't bought a Shopify in about 10 months, so I'm still learning it. But on the other hand, if you take a look at Valor's Discord, they have some of the success posted in there. Tonight, you guys can see Justin said 111 checkouts on Kith. You guys can see kind of what the checkouts came on. And we actually got 5 total foam runners tonight on Valor. I can go to the public checkouts here. You guys can see a lot of dunks, a lot of highs and lows. And then like Justin said, we did manage to get 5 checkouts on foam runners tonight, which is a huge W for the people who got those. You guys can see we got some Jordan 1s as well. And then like he said, here we got some foam runners. We got some mineral blues, ochre, and then some sands right there. So Valor Shopify module already hitting these Kith restocks without a problem. But creating a Shopify task group on Valor is just like when you create anything else. You just go in, create your task group. I'll just name this one Shopify. And then whenever you go to look for the sites, you guys can see they have a lot of different Shopify sites in here. Not every site like you may see on like an NSB or something like that that just has a ton of sites listed, but they have all the main sites that you would want on here. They have Atmos, Concepts, DSM, DTLR, and then some others as well. They have Final Mouse on here. They have Hat Club on here, which is a good one. Haven Shop for all the Canadian residents. They have Jound on here. Kith, obviously. Mattel as well. We just saw some Hot Wheels things release on Mattel the other day, and I know they did extremely well on there. And then you guys can see they have Shoe Palace, Shop Nice Kick, stuff like that. They even have Telfair for those people who like to run for those bags. So Valor has pretty much any Shopify site that you would want or that you would need to run for. And it's very simple. If you're just running Shoe Palace, for example, normal mode or preload 1, they've actually gone through and released an entire guide on their Shopify module and how to get the best out of it. For example, on Kith, They have a whole guide typed up of what you want your delays to be, and everything like that. So I can share that with you guys. When creating a task on Kith, for example, for Valor, you want to do preload 1, and then in front of any keywords, you want to do the plus symbol like that. So if you were doing Yeezy slides, you could do plus Yeezy, you could do plus slide, and then if you wanted to, you could do negative keywords by just using that minus sign right there. And that's all you have to do for negative keywords if you want to add some of those in as well. So it's very, very simple. Obviously, you can do whatever size you're looking for. They suggest running a 10,000 delay. 10,000 delay is what they suggest. And then obviously you do whatever with your profile. I'll just create one just for this example. We'll use our bypass proxies. Shout out to bypass, the sponsor of the channel. We'll do create. And then they also give you a guide of what you want your delays to be. So you guys know on these Kith restocks, for example, what the plan is the queue loads up around 13 to 10 minutes before the restock actually happens. But one thing that they've stressed, and the mistake that I made last week, you want to get your task into the queue, but you don't want to get in so early that by the time 8:57 hits, you're already through the queue. Because if you do that, then you're going to re-queue, and you're not going to have a chance, right? So the key that I found tonight, probably a good sweet spot right about 10 minutes out. You started and you got put in the queue, and I had several tasks that were getting through the queue right at 8:59, 9 o'clock, right on the dot. So that's what you want to do. And 30 seconds before the release actually happens, you want to go over here to edit all. You want to change your delays. Okay, the delays that they suggest, I believe for monitor, it's 1600, and retry, it's 2800. And then you'll just hit edit, and then you're ready to go. I believe that's what it is. Obviously, check your Shopify monitors as the restock happens. That way you know what to mass link change to. But a couple takeaways from Valor Shopify module. It's already extremely good. I don't think a ton of people in Valor know how to use it just yet, myself included. I'm not very good at Shopify in general, but this is a new bot Shopify module. But I can say this about this module. I don't think it's too long until whenever people are talking about the top Shopify bots that Valor is mentioned at the top. And what we're witnessing right now is a really, really unique and rare thing. The botting market itself is a little weird right now, but with Valor AIO, what we could see is we could see a bot not only have the best, I think they have the best Yeezy supply module by far. I think that's proven. I think when Foot Sites had their normal stuff going, they had the best Foot Sites module and Finish Line module. I don't really think you could debate that. Maybe you could. Maybe you could say Kodai's Finish Line module was up there. Prism's Foot Site module was up there. But consistency, every single release, I think it's pretty safe to say Valor had those beat on both of those modules. And then with Valor adding Shopify, if Valor's Shopify module becomes just like its other modules, you're talking about a bot that is #1 in all aspects. And I think that goes to show that people trust Valor, they trust the future, when other bots like Kodai, for example, are selling for $500, which is crazy in my opinion. And a bot like Valor is still retaining some value. So all this to say, Valor's new Shopify module is great. I think it has a great future ahead of it. It's only going to keep getting better as people understand how to use it a little bit more. We're using it on the Kith restocks every Thursday evening, so make sure that you guys come join us on Thursday evening, so you guys can check out the module in action while we're using it. We do stream every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Central, so make sure you guys have your notifications. A brand new video every single day at noon, so make sure that you guys have your notifications turned on. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. Consider becoming a channel member for free ACO on every single release. And if you guys need a cook group, check out Soul Palace, a link down below. My own personal cook group. We offer monitors for thousands of sites, everything you could ever need. You guys already know the vibe. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial of Valor Shopify module. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below and I'll answer them down there. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, guys. Turn on post notifications. I hope that you guys have a fantastic Friday, a fantastic start to your weekend. I know things are a little slow right now, but they are going to be picking up very, very soon. But I hope that you take advantage of this downtime to get ready for the big things to come. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. This is Soul State, signing out.